Hello and welcome to Bohol. In this video, we'll take you on a day trip where we'll tick off the main attractions on the island. As always, we're backpacking, we're on a budget, but we're trying to do as much as possible. So join the journey by hitting subscribe and let's explore Bohol. Hello, good morning from Bohol. We're here in Phang Lao, staying at a place called Phang Lao Chocolate Hills Resort. See the little Tarsiers there? We're going to see them later. See the chocolate hills there? We're going to see them later. And we are going to explore the area today on the motorbike. Tasha's there. We rented this bad boy for like 400 a day. It's much bigger and it's brand new. Literally got like 300 kilometers clocks on it, so it's very smooth. It's very nice.
Safety first.
Safety first. Wear your helmets. Oh, is that a bee on me? No, it's not. Right, I'm going to be driving. Tasha's going to be navigating. Let's get on the road and head towards Chocolate Hills area in the centre of Bohol. Welcome to the Tarsier sanctuary. They are very sensitive to noise, so I won't be talking during this, so guess we'll see you in there. You can see the Tarsiers in Bohol in two places, the Tarsier Sanctuary or the Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. After some research, we found that the conservation area is a zoo which keeps the Tarsiers in poor conditions, so we opted to go to the Tarsier Sanctuary instead, as it was more responsible and ethical. To enter, it costs 150 pesos, and visitors are required to keep quiet and not use flash photography as it stresses the Tarsiers out. After a quick information video about the primates, we were given a guide to follow. We're always a bit weary when we visit animal attractions, and we were surprised to see that the Tarsiers were awake, despite being nocturnal creatures. They are extremely cute, and I truly do hope that we support an ethical sanctuary and not a tourist trap that exploits these little guys. Let me know if you've been and what you think in the comments below. There we are. It's the end of the tour. And there we are. They're so small. Tash said halfway through, they're like little baby Yodas. I have to agree.
They are.
They're really cute. But yeah, the tour in total literally only took us like 5 minutes of walking around. Very short, but worth it. We saw 4 out of the 6 that they know of in the area. So,
But no,
nice.
they know that there's like 200 in the area, but they're very territorial, so there's only 6 in this little section. But we only saw 4 of them.
No, very cute. That's not a Tarsier. That's a little puppy. What's he doing there? Alright, hello again. We are at the Loboc Adventure Park now. We've just paid 700 pesos each to do a zip line, cross over a river, and then a cable car back over to this side. Yeah, there's the cable car there, and we're going to take the zip line down. Let's just wait for someone now and see what it looks like. It looks so fun. Alright, let's go to the start.
Apparently when you buy a ticket you sign up for a hike.
It's not that bad. We've been on bikes too long, we haven't actually walked anywhere for months.
So lazy.
Just up there though, the start. Woo, very excited.
Woohoo! Don't you know, pump it up.
Alright, at the top. No, I haven't got the view yet. Knackered from that little walk. It only took us 2 minutes, but we're worried about my flip-flops, if I'm honest.
Take them off.
I will. Safety first?
Yes.
Matching!
I just did that.
You did it on purpose, right?
No.
We got a stylist.
Thank you. I'm your bags.
I'm the model. Yeah. Cool.
Remove your slippers.
Remove slippers, yep, okay.
Front.
France, I'm from England.
Bridge is pulling down.
Okay.
Down.
You alright?
Is my bag closed?
6, 1, 3, 1, 4.
Alright, ready?
I'm gonna fly!
Okay, ready?
Alright, yes, ready. Whee! my god! Look at this! Woohoo! Whoa! Look at that! It's insane! Wow! Oh my god! I'm going so quickly! Ah! Oh my god! Whoa! Jesus, I thought I was gonna die. Thank you. Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, wow. That was exhilarating.
Thank you.
Tash, how was that?
So amazing. I literally the whole time was like,
I know, I got you.
it was so beautiful. It was literally like flying.
It was really fun.
Also, how beautiful is the river?
Oh, river's so blue, it's gorgeous, yeah, loved it. Wow, that was unbelievable.
I highly recommend that, that's great.
Definitely do that, yeah.
Pesos well spent.
When else can you get a zip line for that price that has that view? Let's be honest. Very good.
The jungle vibes here, hey, like all of this at the bottom.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Right, waiting for the cable car now, and then we're gonna head back. Woo! Well, I've got slightly less adrenaline on this one.
But maybe we can take in the view a bit more.
Yeah, beautiful. Back to the start. Fantastic.
Lovely.
I'm glad we stopped off.
Yeah.
So good. The road took us through another one of Bohol's main attractions, the man-made forest. As you can tell by the name, this forest is part of a reforestation project which started over 50 years ago. We chose not to stop here though, and continued to make our way towards the Chocolate Hills. Alright, welcome to the Chocolate Hills. We parked our bikes up and we paid 100 pesos each for our tickets. And we're going to walk there now. There is an option to get the van like this to the start, but it's a 10-minute walk, and honestly we've been on the bike all day, so we need to have a little walk. Get some steps in, be healthy, you know, all of that good stuff. And as you can see, it's up that hill right there. So, I'll see you there, I guess. Halfway up. How's the hike going, Tash?
Yeah, it's fine.
Just parked, there's some people down here doing quad biking. Starting to get a view of the hills. A bit foggy, a bit cloudy though, so don't know how far out we'll be able to see. I'm sure it'll be worth it though.
There's one right in front of us.
Alright, we just got to the entrance and walked through. We're not right at the top now, but got the start of the view here. Check it out, everyone. Lovely swimming pool for you to bathe in if you come up here. Change your rooms, look very secure. Yeah, didn't expect that. Yeah, let's go to the top and get a better view. There's little markets and stuff up here. You can buy souvenirs and gifts as well, if that's something you want to do. Alright, well there we are, Chocolate Hills, the last entrance, the last climb to the viewpoint. Fair enough. Here we are everyone, we're at the top, and look at the Chocolate Hills. Very impressive. Clouds and fog, you know, smothering them, but yeah, still beautiful. They all just look like jelly tots to me. I've got a sudden craving. Awesome, how cool is that? Just to clear some things up in case you don't know, these hills aren't actually made of chocolate, but are instead conical cast hills made from marine limestone. This is probably Bohol's most famous tourist attraction, and you can see why. There are plenty of tours available if you don't want to ride a motorbike there, and although it's just one viewing platform, the view is spectacular, and definitely something you'll be glad you've seen. Alright, there we are, heading back down now, and that was the Chocolate Hills. Turning left in the Philippines. That's how you do it. Christ. Be bold. And then slip into the gap. Very well done. Easy. To drive from Panglao Island to the Chocolate Hills, it takes around 2 hours each way. For us, it was a full day on the bike where we left our hostel at 9:30 in the morning and arrived back in town in Panglao at around 6 PM due to all the stops that we made. If I'm honest, our bums were very sore from being on the bike for so long, so prepare for that. It's absolutely worth it though, and the island is gorgeous and a great place to explore in the Philippines. As sunset approached, we got an Indian as we were craving curry and then drove back in the evening. Well, the curry is delicious. We're back at the hotel now and Tash is racing for an ice bath. Don't know why you're doing this. Right? You're Australian, you're from Brisbane, what are you doing? Was it worth it?
We're going one more time.
Our time in Bohol was more of a reset and a place to chill for several days. We did, however, find some time to do work, do yoga, and even visit the beach. Before we knew it, our time on the island was up and we had a big journey ahead of us. Join us in the next video where we take a 27-hour boat from Bohol to Manila.